Our project title is Waste to Well Sport Cones.
Hi everyone! In our daily life, we are throwing and wasting a lot of plastic bottles. These plastic bottles can destroy the environment. These problems can be solved by reuse the plastic bottles. Plastic bottles are the main plastic products worldwide, which is 97 million tons per year, and the average plastic bottles used by per person annually is 167 according to year 2015. So, banning the plastic bottles is a long-time solution. Without waiting for a long time, we have come up with an alternative idea to overcome the environmental pollution problem, such as reuse the plastic bottles.
Hi, I'm Kanisha. Sport cones are used to mark various positions or just to mark out a track to a designated distance, particularly in agility, speed, and endurance testing. Both primary and secondary schools are using cones for daily school activities such as soccer practice, hockey games, group games, and sport track arrangements. Our environment is becoming more and more polluted day by day by simply throwing away these plastic bottles in land and water sources. Therefore, we should stop and educate them to reuse the bottles.
The materials are plastic bottles, hot glue gun, plywood, and also spray paint. The estimated cost of our materials are: we need 16 plastic bottles, which is reusable, 1 packet of hot glue, and it is 5 ringgit, 4 colors of spray paint, which is 28 ringgit. The last is plywood. The size of it is 20 cm by 4, and it is 5 ringgit. The total cost of our product is 38 ringgit.
Hi! Collect same size of plastic bottles, arrange the bottles in cone shape and fill it. For example, 3 bottles at the bottom and 1 bottle on the top. Finally, paint the bottle with attractive spray color. Our sports cones are ready to use. The height of the cone depends on the size of bottles we are using.
So far, there is no recycled and reused cones are available in hardware shops, sports equipment shops, or online shops. That our product has the following novel features.
First, it is easy to get the plastic bottles.
Second, these cones are lightweight, colorful, and same as the cones in the market. Third, we can use our own color selections.
Efficient plastic bottles are ready to recycle the world. Think before throwing the bottles. It can be reused.